Hi, I'm Larry Clark. I'm with ERA Real Estate. I'm a professional full-time broker and I reside right here in Denver, Colorado. And I wanted to introduce you to Tom Gross. Tom's a mortgage originator, a loan officer, if you will, with Crestline Mortgage. And Tom, the other day I was online and I came across this remarkable program with the City and County of Denver. It was called a Mortgage Credit Certificate. So can you tell me what's a mortgage credit certificate?
Larry, a mortgage credit certificate is a federal program that was recently announced as available through the City and County of Denver. And previously it had been available for Colorado Housing and Finance Authority throughout the state.
Right.
The two programs are federal programs that allow for first-time home buyers and some other qualified buyers to purchase properties and then in turn, over the life of the loan, the life of the purchase, be able to have an federal income tax credit. Not a deduction, but a credit for up to $2,000 annually.
Wow.
It's quite a program.
So we have buyers out here. How would a buyer's wallet be affected by this type of program, to put it in simple terms?
Well, I recently took a $200,000 purchase, arranged the itemization, the amortization schedule based upon a minimum down payment FHA loan at 5%, and calculated that over the life of that loan, the borrower would save over $36,000.
Wow.
A family can buy a lot of groceries for $36,000.
You're not kidding. Now, the buyers out there want to know, what are the requirements? What do you have to do to get this type of money?
This is a good question. Well, first-time home buyer, but by definition, a first-time home buyer can also be a person who hasn't owned a property for the last 3 years.
Okay.
That's first priority. But you can have an exception if you're purchasing in what's called a targeted area, some areas within the Denver metro area that are preferred, where the federal agencies want homeowners in those areas, and also certain qualified veterans who are not first-time home buyers would also qualify. There is an income limit and also a purchase price limit for this program, but I've found over the years that it is so liberal that in just about every case those limits are really not an issue at all.
Okay. All right. So what recommendations can you make to these buyers who are going to be interested in this program?
My first recommendation would be to find a loan originator who is associated or works for one of the companies designated to offer an MCC, either City and County of Denver or CHFA, Colorado Housing and Finance Authority, statewide.
Right.
Go through the process of the qualification, have an understanding of what this program can offer, and then go out and attain the services of a professional realtor. A realtor who is a member of a professional association and has credentials such as a CRS.
Great. Thanks, Tom. And if you have any interest whatsoever in this type of program, give me a call. My contact information is lower. Scroll down on this blog. Thanks again.